What's up, guys? Autofanatic. I'm going to do a quick video. This may or may not pertain to any of you guys, but recently I put a gallon of 2-in-1 windshield washer fluid in my Alfa Romeo, and I have headlamp washers down below. And when you hit the button to clean your windshield, this stuff sprays all over the car, and it leaves an oily film, almost like you threw soap or took a can of WD-40 and sprayed 50% of the car. The entire nose, the doors, the glass, the roof, everything was just covered in this stuff. So a buddy of mine yesterday came over and he told me about this, and it's got a polymer in it, and it also affects the sensor on the pump. So I was like, you know what, let me get this out. What would you do to drain out the windshield washer fluid? You could hit the button and make a mess all over your car. You could wait for it to go down low, but it made such a mess that it took me 2 washes to get all that film off. So he gave me the idea yesterday, why don't you just extract it with your oil extractor? So I cleaned out the oil extractor, and that's what we're going to do. So let me give you a quick walk around and I'll show you how quick and easy this is. This is the oil extractor I showed on my channel a number of months back when I did the oil change on the Alfa Romeo for the first time. This thing is compact. We're not going to use the air compressor today. I'm just going to charge it with the pump. The lines you can see here, they're perfectly cleaned out, because before I put this away, the last time I used it, I cleaned it out with some solvent, and then I ran some of my autofanatic wheel cleaner through this whole canister. Everything's cleared out. So on this particular car, the windshield washer reservoir is towards the back, whereas most cars it's up in the front, either on the left or right side by the bumper. In this car, it's by the back. Now, most of these reservoirs are going to have some sort of a filtration screen. You guys could probably see that on camera. So you just stick your finger in there and you tug it out, and this is that little screen that you need to remove in order to get the suction tube down and in the hull. So we're just going to insert the extractor hose right now. Make sure the valve is closed. So we're going to create a vacuum, and you guys can see it already in the tube. All the Rain-X is coming out. So all you need for something like this, it's not very viscous, it's like water, just a couple of pumps. You guys can see it there. You see the orange? If any of you guys have used this stuff, I don't really recommend it. Also, it's causing a lot of windshield wiper chatter. So do not use this. This has some sort of a polymer. It leaves a film all over the car, it leaves a film on the windshield and a film on the wiper blades. So I hope this video gives you a couple of tips on how to drain out this junk if you accidentally decided to use it. It's been a couple of minutes and no more fluid is evident in the clear lines like you can see here. And we look at the canister and we're filled up right to this increment right here. So pretty much got all the Rain-X poison out. So guys, I recommend if you guys doing anything on your car, oil changes, differential fluid swaps, tranny fluids, whatever, this is definitely a great tool to have. It's under 80 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description above, in the video description below. And this thing is super well built. I love it, and I'm actually glad that my buddy gave me the idea to do this, and it worked like a charm. So please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned to the channel for more automotive content. Set your notifications for the next video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.